and on time. It's a very, very rare occurrence, but every now and then it does happen where I am actually on time. It's amazing. All right, good morning, everybody. We are here. Happy Thursday. Oh, man. What a crazy afternoon. Well, yesterday, that was wild. I was watching it from the golf course. Oh, man. Good morning, Sean Evans, Trader 007, Jake Dell, Clarity Trader, Jorby Trades, Antonio, good morning, Black Coffee, Sean, good morning, John, Jim O, Vat1, good morning. All right, let's make sure I've got my copy trader turned on. All right, we are good. I think we're good to go. All right. We are live. Good morning, golf guy Mike. Let's have a great day. That's right. Let's have a good day. Let's just have a day where we're just we stay calm all day long, and we have some stress-free trades, and we make money. Let's do it. I am already locked out of my Lucid daily accounts and my take profit accounts. So we're going to be trading the Apex accounts this morning. Let's have us a good day. Okay, look at this. This market is actually insane. Like how are you, look at the 5-minute chart. Look at this 5-minute chart. Like what? So FOMC, I mean, yesterday we just kind of sold off all the way, and then around 12:30, the market started to pump higher. And then at FOMC, we had kind of a move higher. We ripped all the way up to the 28,100s, basically 28,100s. And that was at what time? That was at 3:05 p.m. And from 3:05 p.m. until the close, we dropped. I mean, how many points is this? Got to be close to 800 points. 900-point drop. I mean, that is crazy. 900 points. But then, I mean, now we have the overnight session. We've just, we put in a wick down here at the lows, and we just went straight up. We had a pullback. But we are opening up this morning already up 676 points from the overnight low. So we have a massive, massive range today. Man, I don't know. I feel like we have to look for longs. Cautiously, though. I will say cautiously, but my kind of what my strategy is going to be this morning. I hope we see some kind of pullback. I want to see a pullback at least into the 700s. Like a pullback into the 700s, even into the 650s. I'm going to look for longs. My fear is we're going to open it here right now, and we're just going to rip straight up. I'm afraid we're just going to rip straight up. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Let's see what this market wants to do. Open market pretty stagnant at the open here. Not much of a move. Anyway, Jim O, good morning, Golf Guy Mike, Micro Player, good morning, Red, Louise, Sharouz, good to see you, Sharouz. That one, good to see you, Sharouz. RXHX, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's have a good day. I'll be very, honestly, if I can just get these Apex accounts back to green, I would be very happy. I messed up in the overnight. So I messed up and I traded. I thought I was copy trading and I wasn't. I thought I was copy trading and I wasn't, which is really unfortunate because I ended up making $600 and then I realized I wasn't copy trading. So that was pretty frustrating, but it is what it is. All right, market. I mean, we got to see some kind of pullback here. We got to. What a move yesterday. What a move. I mean, you would think we pull back, right? Right now, this could also be one of those days where we just, I didn't even think about this until right now. This could be one of those resting days where the market just goes chop fest after having this kind of move in the overnight and yesterday. Market might take a breather. Would not be surprised. So far, market's not really done anything. Your accounts did. I'm so glad. I'm so happy, chat, that I decided to lock out my accounts yesterday because that, I mean, that was a diabolical move yesterday afternoon. Crazy move. Hey, San, good morning. Ace Undercover, Chad Holcomb, good morning. M. Susan, good morning. Sean, Abraham, good morning. Niles, good morning. Let's go, man. All right, can we get a pullback? Come on. I would like to see a pullback into the 700s. But I might try it at the 750s. Let's see if we can, I want to see how this reacts. I don't think the NQ popped over 500 points off the 4 a.m. low. I know, but I mean, it's looking very bullish. It is looking very gosh, I hate doing this. No, I can't. I thought about jumping in there, but I'm not chasing that. Man, I might do it though right here. Nah, I'm gonna get out. I'm being very I mean, if this is all we get for a pullback, if this is it, we are definitely gonna go higher. We're gonna take out that 28,000 level. But look at this, like this is a weird looking candle. Right? Like this is a very odd looking candle right now on the daily chart. There is like absolutely no wick right here. It's kind of wild. It's kind of wild. Hey, SW Blaze, Dabda, good morning. Good morning, man. Yeah, I mean, I do. I think we just rip straight up here now, and I can't really jump in here. Oh, that's unfortunate. Ah, this is where it's so tempting to just jump in. Trading those breakouts, but I've just gotten destroyed on trading those breakouts too many times. Trade those breakouts, and then it's a fake out. This is gonna rip now. I mean, I think we go retest this 28,000 to 100, 28,090 level. Hey, you woke up. Take profit trader 25K eval was up $738 still in a trade. You had a bid in at 27,400. You forgot to pull before he went to bed. Let's go, John. Hey, sometimes you get lucky. That's awesome, John. Based on time, volume, appearance, it is possible yesterday was a capitulation low. Yeah, it's kind of weird, Wall Street, right? Like, it's kind of weird because yesterday I was thinking, like, I wasn't trading it, but I was obviously watching it. And when I saw this rip higher, and then we started dumping, I'm like, oh, this was a trap, and they're going to run this thing lower. But now it's looking like, oh, never mind. This move was the trap, and now we're going higher. So I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what the plan is here, but the way it's the way the market is acting right now, I think this thing is going higher. We just got to wait, make sure we're being patient. We also could go sideways. There's always that chance. Yeah, it was a full buck moon. Oh, Wall Street, I thought about that. I thought about you when I saw it. I saw the moves yesterday, and then last night I walked outside and I saw the full moon, and I'm like, oh, now it makes sense. The full moon got everybody. Okay. All right, market, I'm getting very impatient here. What is the plan? Man, do I trust this? I wanna keep buying, but it's so got PTSD now. I think it was last night was full moon. Yeah, I think it was. Yeah, I would love to see a pullback. I mean, right now, if we get a pullback into this 820 area again, I will take a long. I mean, ideally, I wouldn't mind seeing a pullback back into the 700s, but right now, it doesn't look like we're going to get that. Man, the market said we are not getting any price action today. We're just going sideways. It's some pretty terrible price action right now, especially for the open. All right, now time to pay attention here. Oh, come on. Let me get in. This is insane. All right, I'm doing something stupid. Don't follow me. I'm chasing the breakout. Don't follow me. Like I said, it's a bad idea. Rip it. Ah, we got duped. Okay, this is dumb. I'm already regretting my decision. Come on, rip it. And now I'm going to get out, and now it's going to rip to new highs. Watch. Oh, yeah, there it goes. I should know better. Good morning, Bella. Good morning. Pull up the monthly chart. It ends tomorrow. Ooh, you know what? I don't have a monthly chart. Let me look at it. Yeah, I mean, that monthly chart looking... Eesh. Man, we could be in for a lot bigger pullback yet. I don't know what to expect. All I know right now is this market is very choppy. Good morning, Tim. Good morning. How we doing? And there's the breakout. Go figure. I don't want to say I told you so, but I did. I told you so. I told you. Just not enjoying the market this morning. Yeah, I think this thing is so choppy, and now it's gonna rip. Now it's gonna rip, chat. No pullback. We literally got no pullback. Crazy. Kind of crazy after the overnight session we had. It would be wild if we ended up 50% green right smack dead in the middle of that red monthly candle. That would actually be pretty crazy, Nail. And it could happen. It could. It'd be wild, but all right. I mean, I think we have to wait, I guess. This thing is gonna hop. Just rip it now. 950s, 960s, and there she goes. That is so unfortunate. Yeah, we're squeezing the shorts now like crazy. Oh, that makes me sick. Oh. Now it's so hard not to have FOMO. 28,000s, here we go. Gosh, I can't believe this thing. It was 15 months since the last monthly low. Wow. That's even crazier. I mean, that makes me think this thing is definitely going to pump today. Guess we shall find out. Man, this is sad. There it is, 28,000s. I mean, that is so crazy. Look at the 4-hour chart. 15-minute chart. Like the 15-minute chart explains it about as good as you can explain it. Big rip higher, massive rip lower, and then just we're right back up like it never happened. Like it never happened. Man. No, we gotta wait. Oh man, we gotta wait. We cannot. This is where I get so tempted. I think this is gonna go take out that 28,100s. Man, that's so frustrating. What a squeeze. What a squeeze. I'm about to jump in. I'm about to chase this thing. God. Sickening. That is actually insane. We gotta be careful though. It's just painful. It is painful. Well, at least we didn't go short. I guess if we want to look at the positives, we look at the positives, we at least we didn't go short. So man. Here we go, 28,050s. It's been a while since we've had a pump at the open. It's been a while. Call me crazy, but I'm still cautious of a rejection around yesterday's New York highs. Yeah, I mean, obviously, we definitely, that could happen. I mean, do I think we reverse? Who knows? Who knows? Long to gold. Let's go, John. This thing is just ripping. Ripping, man. There it goes. 850s. I need to use the restroom so bad. You know what? I'm gonna go use the restroom. Maybe we'll get a pullback when I get back. Oh my word, this thing actually took out the 100s already. Oh, chat, we are... I mean, this is actually insane. Oh, man. I don't know what we do here. Yeah, the war is over, man. It's world peace once again. Look at this thing go. Okay, I don't know. I'm not sure how much longer I can sit and wait. I'm not sure how much longer I can wait. I'm about to FOMO into this. Oh. I hate this. I hate this. No. Unbelievable. Dude, I mean, I can't jump in here. I can't do it. Now if we were still on Nutty, if we were on Nutty version 1.0, if we were on Nutty version 1.0, you know what we would be doing right now, chat, right? We would be invoking the tried and true, never has failed pullback strategy. Everybody knows what it is. We would just implement the pullback strategy right here. It's never failed. Never. Oh, I want to go long. I want to go. I want to go long so bad. Chat, I might do it. Oh, I can't do it. No! Stop! Gotta be kidding me. I'm gonna get so mad if I jump in and then it reverses. I can't do it. I just can't. But that's insane. Look at this thing just go. Hey, Mark, how is golf? I don't know. Hey, not great. I am just not playing well at all. I hate it. Right now, I don't like playing golf, and it's not a good sign, man. I played better than I did last week, but my confidence is so bad on my driver, and I just don't like, that is the worst. That is the worst for me. Give me a pullback, chat. Did Kevin win? No, he did not win. But we had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. I actually I'm gonna put a lot of time in with Kevin and trying to just take him to the driving range. He has a really good swing. So I'm gonna put some I'm gonna put some time into it. All right, market. This is where it's so difficult to trade this. It is so difficult to trade this. Hey, good morning, Design Knob. Choom is here. Did you check out that putter? I looked at it, Karen Fisher. Thing is, I mean, I'm happy with my putter that I have. I don't really want to change it. Not now. I mean, this is insane. Yeah, get him a teacher. I actually want to do that, Bat. I want to get him a swing coach. All right. I can't, I'm going to do it. I'm going to pull the trigger long. I can't stop myself. I stopped. I waited as long as I could. If this now reverses 100 points from here, I'm going to lose everything I have. Hey, RX, let's go. See if we make new highs. Let's go. It's too easy. It's too easy, chat. Just go long. Just go long. It's too easy. Good morning, Matty Matt. Matty Matt is here. Good morning. How we doing? I mean, this thing is just blasting off. You remember how we were so bearish a couple, like this? If we get above the 28,200s, like we could see the 28,600s today. It sounds crazy, but right now this thing is absolutely on a, it's on a bender. We are not going to fight this. We are not going to fight it. Trade the trend. It's too easy. That's right, Danteloid Dan. How we doing, Matty Matt? Fighting the good fight now. The yen is parabolic. Oh, really, Tanush? Good morning, Tanush. I bought long-term ETFs yesterday because of what I said earlier. We were at a point I had to bounce. Nicely done, Wall Street. Nicely done. But man, this is such a crazy move. And you know there's shorts getting trapped here, and there's just no mercy. There is no mercy. Wow. We will see a pullback, though. Don't worry. We will get a pullback. It's going to happen. Yeah, might be true, Matt. Yeah, there is, Golf Guy Mike. I agree. There's still plenty of room to the upside. And we just continue higher. Here's the 180s. Oh, I got to, yeah, the Rocket Classic started this morning. That's right. Let's see. Can I watch it right now? All right, give me a pullback.
It's about avoiding the big numbers, whether it's getting into the pot bumpers off of the tee or at least giving yourself those birdie opportunities. Hey, this one, let's go on top of the seven.
Hey, Rick Ace, if you look at the daily chart low from, oh, look at these moves. I mean, every little bit. I mean, we haven't even touched the 1 minute EMA yet, which is insane. Crazy. So Malnati is 7 under. Chris Kirk, Keegan Bradley. Oh, wow. Ricky Fowler. Let's go. You know, Brad Dahlke and Ryan, they're both playing in this Rocket Classic. I think they tee off at 150. I can't wait. Can't wait to see that. All right, let's see. I mean, trying to think if I wanted. This is where you have to be careful because we will. I'm telling you right now, we will get a bigger pullback at some point. Just don't want to get trapped in that bigger pullback. That's my only fear. I do think, like, we do have some resistance right here at the 150s. So just want to be careful. Good grief. Malnati is 8 under through 11 holes. 8 under through 11 holes. That is insane. Ryan Ruffles is currently even through 4. All right, we are getting a bigger pullback here. This is where we gotta. That's why we gotta be careful now. I do want a long here, but Pull back to the 100s now. Even if we pull back to the 50s, I don't hate the pullback to the 50s. Man, I might jump in here. Jumped in a little bit early. I should, but I like this. We just wait. It's definitely starting to show some weakness here. Not seeing that. Not seeing the pop higher I want to see. Come on. Let's rip it right here. Do it. Rip it. Rip it. Go. I don't like that. We got to get above that 120. Go. That's what I don't like that. Ah, I should actually get out of this trade. I'm getting out. I'm just going to get out. Instead of holding through insane drawdown, let's just get out and re-enter at the 50s. And hope it doesn't rip higher now. That would be bad. That's the only downside to this. If it rips now, we're going to have issues. How many candles were there from the high to the last? The previous low? You mean yesterday? Hang on. You mean here? Oh, I'm starting to regret it. Don't do it. All right, I'm in again. If I get trapped here, oh man, it's going to be ugly. We should be fine. Should be. Keyword. Come on, I wanted this thing to just rip straight up here. I want to see a massive rip here. Trap the shorts. If we can do that, I think we just rip to new highs. But we got to go. It's not going. Uh-oh. Come on, market. It's annoying me. We have entered the chop zone. We have entered the chop fest. I feel like for the bulls, this thing should have ripped by now. I don't like that. I do not like the fact that we are stuck here, but I mean, we're gonna break out to the downside here very quickly if we don't rip here. Can we get a ripper? Maybe this is it. Go. All right, right here. Do it. Now go. Straight up. Can't do it. It just can't do it. I'm going to try to be patient and just hold. Let's just be patient. All right, here, right here. Rip it. Rip it. Come on. No, that just doesn't give me much confidence. Little fake outs. Come on, just go. Man, the market just died all of a sudden. All right, right here. Pump it. Pump, pump, pump. That's it. Now keep going. Just do it. No pullbacks needed. Just rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Oh man, this is testing my patience. Come on, go. This is a slow, painful death right now. Oh man, that's not what I wanted to see. No, that's not what we wanted, chat. What an annoying trade. Just gonna try to be patient. Gonna try to be patient. Wow. Oh man. What a grind. This market has decided to die. It's annoying, but we'll be fine. We're just gonna hold. We're just gonna hold. Might hit my target around 3:45 p.m. at this rate. All right, can we pump it? Can we pump it? Pump, 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 pump. Pump it now. Pump it good. Come on, rip it. Go. Come on, don't be this way. Just keep going. There is no need for a pullback. Just keep going. Go. Yes. Yes, me like it. Very much like. Much like. Go. Yeah, man. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I should probably take the profit here. I should probably take the profit here. Right? Right, chat? I'm going to regret not taking this. I can already tell, but I'm not doing it. I'm going to regret this. Mark it down. Put it in your books. Nutty at 10:22 said he is going to regret this. Repeat. Oh man, am I stupid? I'm going to take my profit. We'll regret it later. We'll take it. We're right at that previous high. I'm going to take it. It's probably going to make new highs, very likely. Very, very likely, but we're also trying to dig ourselves out of a hole. So hey, thanks, Benjamin. We'll take it. It was a good trade. You know what was the best part of that trade? The fact that I didn't panic. I held. I held. All right, let's see if we make new highs. It looks like she wants to rip it. Yeah, I know, Robert Digital. If I would have been in 2 micros, and I was, if we were gonna pull back into this 28,050 area, I was gonna add one more, and then we could have scaled out, but I really didn't have a. I didn't. Yeah, I just couldn't really add. But the volatility is very. Volatility is pretty low right now. Leave a runner. Oh. All right, here we go. We're about to rip it. Yeah, we're about to break the new highs. I think we take out that 28,200. I'm trying to think, like, okay, do we entertain the idea? I mean, this 28,220, 28,200 area is a very important, it's going to be an important level to get through. Do I do it? There's just no way I'm taking a short. I can't do it. Are those Lucid daily accounts? Yes, Jay Wilson. Yes. Oh, we gotta check, Jorby. I'll check in a little bit. A few cents over your minimum 150 on Tradify select and locked out and made 1,200-ish on 100K instead instant funded. Oh, wow, Robert Digital. Let's go. Let's go. There it is. New highs. New highs. Here we go. Going to take out that 200 level. It is what it is. This market is very bullish. It's very bullish. And there it is. 200s taken out. And we continue higher. 210s. Two 10s, 211s. Oh, unreal. That would have been really nice if I had a runner. Would have been nice, but it is what it is. 220s. There it goes. Man, how much higher is this thing gonna go? Actually crazy. Oh, I don't know. Up 1250 across 5 accounts, locked them all for the day going into a meeting. Let's go, Dave Mack. Hey, hi, how we doing? Short squeeze to 30K. We might. Look at this thing pump. Unbelievable. I mean, that's just a crazy move higher. Yeah, that was a beautiful pullback and a continuation. Man, would I love to see this market continue to do more of this. Just a nice continuation. We have seen not many of those. We need more. Let's get a pullback here. Man, I can't short. I can't short and I can't long. Yeah, close your eyes and buy. Why can't the market move like this every day? RX, I would love if the market would move like this every day. Or some version of it. But we all know that ain't going to happen. Watch us hit 4% up move today. Honestly, we're not that far away, right? We're like 3.25. And look at this, just straight back up. Jeez. Actually insane. Yeah, RX, the Bulls were looking at the daily chart and they were like, you know what? We're good. We're going to take this. The Bears, you've had your fun. Now we're going to take back over. Let the men take charge. Look at this. Like, we came down, swept this 27.4 or whatever. I think this is the 100 EMA. No, the 200 daily. This is the 200 daily here, and we just, I mean, ripping it. Mm. All right, market. Is the VWAP even a thing anymore? It's so far down here. It's hey, Wall Street, the move back to Florida. I'll be moving back to Florida August 23rd or August 22nd is when I'm going to be going down. The Amish Open is the 20th, 21st, 22nd. Right after the Amish Open, I'm going down to Florida. The wife and the kids are going down the 10th because they have to be there for school. And I have a couple things I need to still take care of. So I'm going to be here from the 10th until the 22nd. I'm going to be here all by my lonesome. So from the 10th through the 22nd, might be a lot of streams, might be a lot of overnight streams, might be, you might see some crazy, we might, I don't know, things might get pretty crazy. Where am I staying? I have a house in Florida. I notice right now, look at this chat. Look. Or I think, let me see if I can open it. I don't know, maybe I can't sign in. Micro player. Not gonna happen. All right. Do I actually, I mean, these are the kind of pullbacks that we can't be buying. I feel like I can't buy these micro pullbacks at these levels. I gotta get a bigger pullback before we can go in again. Just too much. Man, look at that. It's just, oh, this is unbelievably bullish. I can't go long. I feel like at this point, we can't go long on these micro pullbacks. I want to go long, but we got to get a little bit more of a pullback than this. That's wild. Shit crazy. Florida is finally getting some rain. Some much needed rain. All right, can we get a bigger pullback here maybe? Imagine this market rolls over in the afternoon session and makes new lows. Now that would be crazy. Dude, we're almost, let me measure. From the overnight low, look at this. We're 1,039 points from the overnight low. I mean, that is insane. I mean, can you imagine just holding one micro? One micro. Actually insane. So crazy. I mean, we might see this thing just grind higher, slow grind higher all day long. I'm thinking about entering with 2 micros just to see if we can't get a little bit better move here, but you made $750 with 1 micro, Benjamin? Let's go. That is awesome. That is awesome. That's a great hold. All right, let's see if we get a bigger pullback here. See if we get down through the 200s. I love to get it down to the 150s, but $25K on my Top Step accounts. Did you see that? I did not, Cly. Wasn't that just like a one-time promotion thing? All right, here we go. Getting a little bit deeper pullback. Let's think about entering here around the 165s, 170s. I might enter the 180s too. All right, we're gonna try it right there. Oh, let's see. Gotta be aware. I mean, there's a chance this thing just dumps, but it's gonna make me sad if this is the reversal now. But we're gonna. I think we're good. Just try to hold. Come on, market, just rip it straight back up. I wouldn't mind if I enter again somewhere here around the 140s. I would enter again, but we'll see. I wouldn't mind it. I would not mind if we just ripped to new highs either. I wouldn't be mad. The one thing I have come to realize with when we have one of those days, where it just grinds higher, like there's something about a grind higher where I feel like people get easier frustrated. I don't know. So if usually it pops a little easier. It might want to go lower here. Even if we make a move into this 120, I mean, this is our first kind of potential trap for the longs, so we gotta be careful. Just don't want to do anything stupid here. Yeah, the 220 area was definitely not a bad place to look for a short. What would I consider a stupid thing to do? To just keep DCAing if this thing actually reverses? That would be stupid. Mm. All right, getting a deeper pullback here. That 120 area is where I'm going to add. And then we got to be okay with getting out. That's where it's always getting a little dicey. I'm gonna wait. If we had to move to the 120s, I'll add one. Hey, Jonathan, good morning. Good morning, Daniel. You need $30 to pass? You got this, Daniel. You got this. Man, look at that. Just right back up. Let's see if we can get above that 200. We got to get above the 200s. Yeah, see, now we're... I don't know. This is where it doesn't... I'm not sure I like this. This is one of them where it looks like it could just roll over now. Do I just do it? I'm gonna just wait a little bit here. Makes me nervous. All right, let's see what happens. This is starting to make me nervous. No, that's not, this is not what I wanted. Now all of a sudden we're just in slow grind lower mode. Not cool. Not cool, market. Gosh, still, I mean, no way. This is actually gonna dump. I mean, it's 70 level, but man, this is not what I wanted. We might be having to take the L here. Give me some kind of bounce. You have got to be kidding me. Are you serious? Dang it. Last ditch effort here, and then we got to bail if this doesn't bounce. That is so, and oh, I hate this. Problem is, this thing could easily just rip straight back up, but it's such a, I don't think we can hold. That is so annoying. Dang it. The market still sucks, just to confirm. Unbelievable. That's crazy. Oh, that's actually diabolical. What is that? 220s. Literally a 200 plus, almost a 200 point pullback. I don't get it. I mean, I do get it. I don't get it, but I don't get it. That's sad. But look, it's just bleeding lower, like no relief at all. It's just down. I was hoping I'd at least give me a chance to get out, but I just not even a chance to get out. So crazy how this market. If we come test this opening range, if we test the 28,000s, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for a bounce. And now come the buyers. Gosh, I have to be careful here. Ooh, we got to be careful. That would be funny if this thing just rips straight up. I'm going to take that. Going to try to just, I don't know, scrape and claw our way back. Can someone explain the rules for Lucid Flex? The Lucid Flex, you just need $150 days. You would need to get your balance at least to $1,000 in profit and $550 days. And then you can request 50% of your profits. I mean, this could be a short right here. I just mentally can't bring myself to short this, but oh, that's so annoying. Dang it. I was hopeful we would see a grind higher all day long, and it's just not going to happen the way it looks. It's just not going to happen. The market just can't help itself. We just have to do the V-shaped reversal moves. My expenses is too high? Tell me about it. You think my expenses are too high? Wait till the end of this month. You know it's not doing it just because you're in the move. I mean, I know NQ is still up like a lot, but this is still a pretty big move lower. Like, this is over a 200-point move now. And we have started to make, like, we're just making lower lows and lower highs. So the trend is lower. The trend is now lower. I'm still tempted. I'm not sure I can help myself. We're going to have to take a long on this 28,000 bounce. I just can't help myself. Come on, just rip it. Rip it. Straight up. Come on. Straight up. Give me that ripper candle. Just rip it straight through the 100s. All right, are we going to be greedy? All right, we're not going to be greedy. We're going to take our profit. We're going to take our profit. But I do like the longs here, chat. This might have been a trap. We might regret not holding that trade. This thing could rip straight up now through if we break the 100s. Yeah, here we go. This is going to be the key. Get through the 100s. The Bulls might be back. The Bulls just went out to eat a little snack. The Bulls were just tired. They just went to take a bathroom break. They ate a little snack. and now they're back. When you say Lucid Daily has no consistency, what do you mean? On the funded account, Benjamin. On the funded account, there is no consistency rule. On the eval stage, there is a 50% consistency on the eval stage. But technically, I mean, I'm not saying that you should try to do this, but I'm just saying that it is technically possible to get a $12,000 payout on a 150K account the second day. Like you could get the first day half passed, and then in the overnight session or the morning of, you could final pass it, and then you can activate it the same day. And if you can make up to $12,000. They cap it per day, cap of 12,000. So I mean, I'm not saying you should try to do that. I'm just saying technically you can do that. Don't have I considered it? Have I thought about that? And have I contemplated doing that? Maybe. How hard can it be? There are times my intrusive thoughts win. That is the Lucid Daily accounts. The Lucid Daily accounts. All right, this is like, man, I want to go long. It's so scary, but hey, M. Susan, you're long ES from the VWAP. Let's go. Man, is it gonna roll over here? I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait now. Man, this looks tempting now. This looks like a pretty decent short setup, but I'm not taking it. I'm not gonna take it. If any, I would be more willing to try a trap and go long here. Gosh, I just don't know. You know what? I'm gonna do it on one account, or I mean one micro. I think we rip this thing back up. Let's go. We'll take that. We will take it. Oh, man, if we didn't have that one bad trade, we'd be so green right now. Oh, that makes me sad. But yeah, that's the trap. That was a trap short. I like the longs. We just got to be patient. Make sure we buy the pullbacks. Don't buy the breakouts. Hey, Papa Mark, you're very welcome. Thanks for being here. I appreciate it. Ninja Trader fixed the issue with the update. Oh, really? Ian, did they do an update? Hold on. I didn't even notice. Hang on. Let me log in. Oh, that would make my day if we got that. So the current update version is 8.1.81. Release notes. When was this? July 21st, though. Wasn't that this is the update that was already released, not? I already have this 8 point. I have current version 8.1.8.1. It just came out today? I'm not what? Really, Wall Street, yours just crashed? I mean, I will say I haven't had the issue. Wow, look at this. Now we go right back down. Okay, now I'm not sure about this market. I'm not sure about this. This looks very choppy. You rebooted my computer and it prompted me for a download when I logged in. Hey, Alcy, how we doing? Good morning. But I have this version. I already have this version of Ninja Trader, so I don't know. I guess I'm good then. Man, I don't know what. I don't know. I don't trust the longs anymore now. Do not trust the longs. Kind of tempting to try another bounce here, but I'm not going to do it. I wish Ninja would auto save the workspace every 5 minutes or something. Yeah, I agree, Wall Street, especially when they have crashing issues. I try to always just go in and set everything up and save it. Yeah, I know it gets annoying. And it does get annoying. Possible head and shoulder. Yeah, I mean I think we at least test the 28,000s here, right? Man, this is so tempting to try a long. Here we go. Trying to take out that 28,000 level. See if we do it. Oh man, now it's gonna go, huh? Oh, this is getting me some FOMO here. Getting very choppy. Getting very choppy here. All right, let's see. We take out. Man, I'm actually getting tempted to short. Right now, every pop is just being sold into. I mean, we're just selling right back down. It's getting very choppy. Honestly, might be the play is to trade the range. That might be the play right now. It's 11 o'clock. Might get choppy here. Might not be a terrible idea. Down we go. Man, this is crazy choppy right now. I'm watching the Rocket Classic. Oh, that was a good shot. Gosh, what a news fest right now. Can't you make it default? I got Tradevate Workspace working like that. If we retest at 64, I might actually take a short here. Oh, I might do it. I do think we take out that 28,000 level. I'm not going to be. Come on, just give me a dump. All right, I don't like that. All right, I don't like that. I'm just getting out. I'm not holding this if it rips. It looks like it might rip here. Oh man, I'm glad I got out of that. Now I might take a short up here. Ooh, I feel like we're playing with fire. Gosh, this is borderline dumb. I'm just kind of trading the range right here. Trading the range. You know what? We're gonna take that. Just trade the range. It's too easy. It looks like nap time. I agree, hi bye. I'm kind of scalping. I'm kind of entering scalping mode. I'm kind of in scalping mode. Take $20-$40 at a time. Just get these accounts back to break even. Even if we end the day $120-$140, that's fine. I'm totally okay with that too. Right now, this is not really that. Probably should not be trading this, to be honest. It's tough to trade today. I mean, it was. This was one really good setup here. We did catch at least most of it, not all of it, but this little pullback, this reversal pullback here got me. If it wouldn't be for that, we'd be sitting good. We'd be up about $200 if we didn't get trapped in that big pullback. Here we go. Look at this. Trade the range. Just trade the range. Koiven 1 under. Nice. Nice. All right, Ricky Fowler with a putt for birdie. Come on, make this. Let's go, Ricky Fowler, 6 under. I'd love to see Ricky win. Hey, NHT, you're happy with your performance? It's about discipline. Hey, good job, man. Hey, Tom W. LDI account is the Lucid daily account. Yes, they have the new daily account. You don't like it? You think it sucks? When you infunded, you get intraday instead of end of day. I mean, if that's the worst, I mean, it's not that bad. The intraday trailing stops when you hit the buffer. So it's literally the same thing as take profit trader. I don't mind it. You just have, yeah, I mean, you have to trade a little bit differently up to the buffer, but it's same as take profit trader. It's not that bad. Hey, look at that. There's that 28,000 level. Oh boy. For 50K, it caps at 8K, then move you live. TPT is better. I mean, if you, yeah, I guess. Just don't, Tom, just don't make 8K in one day, right? I should have taken that bounce on the 28,000s. That's a little bit too slow. We were too slow. You could buy 5 evals today and request 5 12K accounts tomorrow. That's only 60,000. We got to have more. We want more, Benjamin. That's not enough. It still sucks. Can you imagine? Someday, my intrusive thoughts keep winning sometimes. And I'm like, how hard can it be? Just one time. One time. Just go full YOLO, hit the banger trade, and take max payout on day one. I mean, why not? How hard can it be? But we all know that never happens. Not to me. Not to me anyway. It always happens, it seems like, to everybody else on Twitter. I go on Twitter and everybody making 10 grand a day. I'm telling you what, Chad, you know what I wish? No, I shouldn't say this, but I wish, kind of wish. I wish everybody would share their expenses because your minds would be blown. I guarantee people would not believe it. What some people are spending on but it is what it is. I'm not their mom. I'm not their mom, so I can't make them do. I can't tell them what to do. Man, I'm getting okay. Do we take this? I've got to take it, I think. What kind of trash fill was that? Please don't rip lower. Don't do it. Let's get this bounce. Come on, market. Don't be like this. Don't break my heart. Ooh, Coiven with a miss. Man, these moves are crazy. Looks like the market barely moved. It's 80, 90 ticks. Ribbit! Come on, go! Oh, that's not good. I might have to take our L here. Come on, we got a rip here. Piece of shit. I don't like this. I do not like this. I should get out of this. I should get out of this. I can tell. Ribbit! Go! I might kill this before we get... I don't like... Oh, I'm getting scared. Okay, I'm going to take it off. I don't like it. I think we dumped down through the 28,000s, and if we dump down through it, if we lose the 28,000, this thing could just do a slow bleed lower with no chance to get out all the way down to the 900s, honestly. I know I woke up just without issue and illusion, good in the world, when I hear the phrase ribbit. Let's go, Steven. Stefan. ES gave back its entire morning? Are you serious? Hang on, let's see this. Wow, it did. That's crazy. I mean, ES never had that kind of crazy rip higher, or not as much. Like, ES didn't even come close to taking out yesterday's high. Interesting. It is a donkey market. That reminds me of the Wonky Donkey song. Does anybody know the Wonky Donkey song? Does anybody know the Wonky Donkey song? If you don't, I'm going to just warn you. My kid, Cody, anytime we go on a trip or we go, you know, anytime we go anywhere, Cody is always... He's always wanting. He's like, Mom, can we play the Wonky Donkey song? If you haven't heard this, I apologize, but here we go. I was walking down the road and I saw a donkey. No hand, free legs. This is such a dumb song. You guys are going to thank me for playing Ben and Rose from now on. I was walking down the road and I saw a donkey.
only had 3 legs and 1 eye. He was a winky wonky donkey, winky wonky donkey, winky wonky donkey. I was walking down the road and I saw a donkey. How? He only had 3 legs and 1 eye, and he liked to listen to country music. Yee-haw! He was a honky-tonky winky wonky donkey, honky-tonky winky wonky donkey. I was walking down the road and I saw a donkey. How? He only had 3 legs and 1 eye, liked to listen to country music, and he was quite tall and slim. He was a lanky honky-tonky winky wonky donkey, lanky honky-tonky winky wonky donkey. I was walking down the road and I saw a donkey. How? And only had 3 legs and 1 eye, like this country music, is quite tall and slim, and he smelled really, really bad. He was a stinky, dinky, lanky, honky-tonky, winky, wonky donkey. Stinky, dinky, lanky, honky-tonky, winky, wonky donkey.
That's Cody's favorite part.
I was walking down the road and I saw a donkey. How? He only had 3 legs and 1 eye, like this country music, was quite tall and slim. He smelled really bad, and that morning he got up early and he hadn't had any coffee. He was a cranky, stinky, dinky, lanky, honky-tonky, winky, wonky donkey. Cranky, stinky, dinky, lanky, honky-tonky, winky, wonky donkey. I was walking down the road and I saw a donkey. How? Only had 3 legs and 1 eye, like this country music, was quite tall and slim. He smelled really bad. He got up in the morning and he hadn't had any coffee, and he was always getting up to mischief. He was a hanky, panky, cranky, stinky, dinky, lanky, honky-tonky, winky, wonky donkey. Hanky, panky, cranky, stinky, dinky, lanky, honky-tonky, winky, wonky donkey. I was walking down the road and I saw a donkey. How? And only had 3 legs and 1 eye, like this country music, was quite tall and slim. He smelled really bad. He got up in the morning and he had any coffee. He was always getting up to mischief, but he was quite good looking. He was a spunky, hanky, panky, cranky, stinky, dinky, lanky, honky-tonky, winky, wonky donkey. Spunky, hanky, panky, cranky, stinky, dinky, lanky, honky-tonky, winky, wonky donkey. I was walking down the road and I saw a donkey. Hey, how?
Let's go, chat. Now you know the wonky donkey song. You are welcome. Show your kid that song one time, they're gonna want to listen to it all the time. It's too funny. All right, market. We are just continuing sideways. Oh, you know what? Let's check something, chat. We need it on repeat while we're in a trade. Maybe we need to test it. We need to test the wonky donkey song. Oh gosh, I almost have to take this short.
Order fill.
My goodness, that was loud. Oh, am I gonna get destroyed on this short? Tell me I won't, please. I just want a little bit of money. I'm not asking for much. It just looked too juicy. It looked too juicy not to take it. Dump. Ah. Hang on, I want to check something. It was a stinky, winky, honky, tonky, wonky, donkey. Your guys are going to have that song playing in your head the rest of the day. You're welcome. I don't know about this. I'm getting out. I don't like it. I ain't in the mood. I'm not in the mood to hold trades. Not losing. Losing trades. I'm out. Give me a second, chat. Hold on. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold on. Let's do a test. Let's go, chat. The giveaway. We are going to do the giveaway. The giveaway works. It works. It works. Exclamation mark NBT. Subscriber only giveaway. Let's go, chat. Exclamation mark NBT. And I'm very, very thankful I just got out of that trade. Woo! That was a trap. It was a short trap. It looks like Streamlabs fixed their problems, thankfully. We are going to be giving away Lucid Pro accounts, 50K Lucid Pros. Oh, Ricky Fowler is 7 under. Nice. Man, this market is in a range right now. Struggling to get above the 100s. I dare you to, whoa, what is going on with my chart? I dare you to ask your doctor at the boys' next appointment if something is wrong with him and show him the wonky donkey song. That would be funny. We shall wait. Let's see if we break above the 100s here. Kind of feels like it's just going to be a fake out if we do. Hey, there's the break above the 100s. Looks like longs were the play. Just need to hold. Just needed to hold. Oh, man. All right, we are going higher. I think we just wait for the pullback now. After making 1760, I'm probably locking myself out with. You're probably locking yourself out with $7.92 in profit. Let's go, Jose. Let's go. Past another Lucid Pro. Let's go, RX. Killing it. Here we go. 130s. We are ripping it. We are making the move higher. Man, look at this move. All right, we are almost running up on our timer for the giveaway. Exclamation mark NBT. If you want to a chance to win a Lucid Pro 50K account. We're going to be closing down the entries here in 1 minute. Man, it's tempting here. I might I'm gonna jump in here. Please don't be a reversal. Come on, rip it. All right, we are going to do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway, chat. Hang on 1 second. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. All right, here we go. First name to be entered in the duck race is going to be Ken Robinson. Let's go, Ken Robinson. Good luck, Ken Robinson. Good luck. Here we go. Next name, Stargazer. Stargazer M9E. Good luck. Next name, Doug N. Let's go, Doug N. 2022. Good luck to you, sir. Next name, Mark. Mark Jacobs, 2208. Nice. Let's go. Next name, Jarcody. Let's go, Jarcody. Good luck to you. Here we go. Next name, Ike. It's Ike DC 123. We got some familiar names in here. I love to see it. Next name, hey, it's Clarity Trader. Good luck, Clarity Trader. Here we go. Next name, Mamba Tuna. Mamba Tuna 4712. Good luck. And it's Worlds Away Nomads. Worlds Away Nomads. Good luck to you, my friend. And there we go. Kevin Tobias is in the duck race. Good luck. All right, we're going to remove 5 names. Don't worry, you're still in the duck race. All right, here we go. Next name, Palooka Mealy GG. Good luck. Next name, Jar. Oh, my word. Not this again. How does it happen that people get picked twice? A. Petersheim. A. Petersheim 8405. Good luck to you, my friend. Oh, the allegations are going to be crazy. She Sue is in the duck race. All right, here we go. 2 more names, chat. 2 more names. It's wrong. Wrong 6738. And the final name is NQES Trader. Let's go, NQES Trader. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, everybody. All right, it is time to do the duck race. Here are all the names. 2 minutes. Let's go. We're going to shuffle the characters, and you guys know the rules. The top 5 will get a Lucid Pro 50K account. The top 5. So good luck, everybody. Here we go. And they are off. All right, here we go. Right out of the gate, we have Ike DC and Rung 6738 taking the early lead. We've got World Away Nomads at the top of your screen, the dinosaur duck. We have NQES Trader in the middle. We've got Donald Duck is Kevin Tobias. We've got Charcody is at the bottom of your screen. He is a longtime viewer. Shisu, Ken Robinson. We've got Mark Jacobs. I'm not even sure. Palooka, Stargazing, NQES Trader. Here we go. Shisu now takes is basically tied with Pelu Millie. We've got Shine. We've got Clarity Trader and Doug N. Fan favorites at the top of your screen. Here is Shisu, and she takes the early lead. Jarcody now picking up steam, and Jarcody has taken the lead with 45 seconds to go. Can he hold on? We all know it always comes down to the final 7-8 seconds. We've got E. Petersheim in the pink duck now trying to make a move. E. Petersheim 8405 and Mamba Tuna now has squeezed ahead by a bill. Doug N now trying to make a move. Here comes Clarity Trader. Here comes Stargazer with 10 seconds to go. It is Stargazer, Clarity Trader. Here comes Wrong, and here comes Doug N. Doug N has got the speed, and Doug N is going to pull away, and he's got the lead, and he's going to take home the win. Doug N takes home the win. Now, who's gonna be top 5? Oh, it's gonna be close, chat. All right, here we go. The official results are in, and coming in 5th place is Stargazer M9E, and coming in 4th place, NQES Trader. Coming in 3rd place is Ike DC123, and coming in 2nd is Wrong 6738, and coming in 1st place is Doug N. Congratulations. Oh, Clarity Trader, you were so close. Clarity Trader just didn't quite have enough. Didn't quite have enough. And coming in at the bottom of the pack, we've got Mark Jacobs coming in 15th, Mamba Tuna, and Kevin Tobias bringing up the rear. We've got Jarcody in the middle of the pack in 10th place. World Away Nomad in 9th, Petersheim in 8th. It was a well-run race, and Doug N prevailed. Nicely done. Nicely done. Thanks for playing, and congratulations. Back to trading. Back to what is this market doing? Oh, wow. Oh, I see. Market going crazy. I'm so surprised. All right, here we go. Let's get. I'm gonna explain to you what you need to do. Send me an email to nuttybar1983@gmail.com with a screenshot of your YouTube channel, and I will get you a code for a 50K Pro account. Sorry, Jarcody. It was close. You just didn't have enough. Came in a little bit too hot, a little bit too soon. All right, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for playing. All right. Now, all right, hang on. I got to make sure I got. Man, this market is getting choppy. I mean, I kind of want to just buy these pullbacks, but I'm scared. Kidding me. Man, is this thing gonna just roll back over? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take it. Come on, market. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Come on now, rip it. Just rip it. Rip it. You know what? I'm just gonna take my money. I'm just gonna get out of this. You know what? I'm actually tempted to just, I'm tempted to call this. Hey, Jorby Trades, what's drone do I have to fly to get in on one of these races? I know, Jorby. I know. I don't know, man. One of these days is gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Man, I should have probably held. I should have held, chat. Starting to look bullish. It's starting to look bullish. If we can get above this 120. Got to get above the 120s, though. Oh, I forgot. Oh, never mind. Shoot. I actually forgot. I forgot, chat. I actually have to go. 12 o'clock. I have to go. I got something. I have to be. I actually forgot. I need to be helping. I need to be helping someone. I gotta run, chat. Sorry for the quick. But I gotta go. Man, this thing is really gonna break out. It is what it is. You know what? It's not a bad day. It's not a bad day. I'm pretty happy with it. All right, I'm out. I got to go. Take care. Thank you, everyone. I will be back tomorrow. It's going to be Friday. Hopefully, we get some good price action. So, hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care and God bless.